Costa Rican mountains. Say hi, Theo.
Hi.
Say hi, Hansi.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi. See the cow coming around the corner? In
Cow in
the back
there.
of that guy's truck. Like he's riding in the back of the truck. See him? We're at Walmart.
Can't really go up, I just have to stand. So were you sleeping tonight, boys?
Oh, you just wanted my watch. I see what you're doing.
Got to our new Airbnb. We're all very excited by it. Eli's figuring out the kitchen, basic stuff there. Help you get down, you stuck? And then in the bathroom, we've got the super cool shower. But the outside is the really impressive part. Let's go see our new house in La Fortuna. Ooh, they have pool toys and there's a little waterfall. Who's loving it? I know. Well, this is wonderful.
This is your house?
Who is loving it? There's the volcano back there. A little cloudy today, but that is the volcano.
It need a walk and it's erupted in 2 minutes.
You think it's gonna erupt in 2 minutes?
Yeah.
I think we need to get some swimsuits and have an evening pool night. What do you guys think?
Yes.
Yes.
Here is the Airbnb and the beautiful gardens all around, and a cabana, and our own little kitchenette, and a little bar area. Holy wow, pretty fancy. Look at it, it's a field or a Hansi table.
Jamie, you were so nervous. She was so scared. Look.
I gotta get to my boat.
She's just hanging out over there.
Who's enjoying the pool? You enjoying our pool? Super cool Airbnb.
Okay, I'll help you climb. Oh,
All right, King of the Jungle. Let's see you
Big jump.
roar.
Yeah, this far. Jump, far. Far jump.
Whoa! King of the Jungle. Okay, who's loving Costa Rica now?
So we don't have a pool at our next one though, Jamie? No.
Headed down, how many stairs? 500 stairs? Get down to the waterfall. What?
People fly drones here.
People fly
Some
drones?
do fly drones, but they said no drones.
Excited to go to the waterfall. You can kind of see it through the trees. You having fun at the waterfall? You can see it through the trees in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that food up in you? This is La Fortuna Falls. Some people are swimming, but we feel not with the kids. Everybody's hanging out. The bottom of the big falls, which is around that corner. Ooh.
There's a nice little pool right here. Should we go sit over in this one? Is it a little chilly? Ooh. Oh, is it a little chilly? A little chilly?
Jamie and Theo trying to climb the waterfalls. Dangerous business. I hope he's careful.
Where's Hansi? Where is he? Where's Hansi? There he is. So cute. We conquered it. All 500 steps. Did you have fun? You got a little wet.
What was
You
the best part?
you
Climbing
climbed-
the rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah. You climbed all 500 steps all by yourself. You go, man. Arnold volcano out in full glory this afternoon while our children are napping. Relaxing afternoon by the pool. Yours does better than mine underwater. You want to switch for a bit? You want to switch? Yeah. I'm going to come show you this cute little thing right here.
Look at this sweet little thing.
Oh, he sees the cup. He wants
Hansi! Hi!
He wants the cup, he says.
What you
Give me
doing
the
do?
cups.
What you gonna do with the cups? Oh, bartender! I want a pineapple!
Here, watch this. I think you could sit down right here. Okay. Wait for me, wait for me. There. Oh no! He fell into the water. He doesn't know where to sit. Where can I sit? Ah! It fell in! Ah!
You sit up there.
Oh,
You sit up there.
up there? I'll try. Ah!
Daddy, pull me up.
Lazy
That's
day
my
at the house.
Daddy wants to try tongue.
Yeah, we'll have Daddy try some. We got some
Daddy
smoothies.
wants to try tongue.
Daddy's grilling over by the pool. We just got out of the pool. Good day in Costa Rica. Taking a walk down the road from our Airbnb. This boy's wild running.
Think they're playing a little bit?
What's that one doing? What's that one doing? What's him doing?
Just hanging out.
No, what's that?
They're eating.
What?
I don't see any bulls.
What do you think about the cows? Are they cute?
No, we cannot.
Yeah.
It does.
Let me see. Whoa, look at all those spider webs. You see some spider webs there? Oh yeah, I see the spider webs. Saturday morning cartoons. Look at that brotherly bonding.